What is CMMS software? Computerized Maintenance Management Systems, or CMMS, tracks the upkeep and associated costs of an organization's assets to help identify and prevent repairs, minimize expenses, and ultimately prolong the life of the property. Common features of CMMS software include asset tracking and purchasing, which maintains information about an organization's property and tracks inventory for maintenance, such as life expectancy, costs, upkeep history, parts, and tools. Preventative maintenance and condition monitoring minimizes unexpected failures by keeping an eye on the status of equipment, analyzing historical trends, and scheduling tasks based on meter readings, dates, or custom triggers. Work order management allows you to submit requests, schedule repairs, and assign personnel to a job, while also tracking details such as materials, costs, cause of the problem, and future recommendations. Other notable features include mobile capabilities, QR and barcoding, voice recognition, and asset ranking tools. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.